The 3D printing industry is gaining such momentum that even stalwarts like are gaining venture capital-styled investments. The traditional idea of who gains investments usually reminds everyone of Silicon Valley and a group of nerds sitting in an incubator developing the next great app or resource for tech. That group then perfects their elevator pitch, or they enter a contest and discuss middle out, and the money starts flying. However, is a household name. "We bring good things to life" remains a slogan that inspires thoughts of light bulbs and smiling faces. In the last year, has been so heavily involved in 3D printing that they are functioning with the speed of a startup in launching their Additive department. Isn't yet manufacturing, but it is doing something better for startups in the additive manufacturing space. Additive, in conjunction with Capital, has been acquiring 3D printing companies at the pace of Wal-Mart acquiring e-commerce platforms. In other words, the acquisitions will allow you to enter a space without actually creating an entire division. They simply have to repurpose what they have, and that's what they are doing. Its Center for Additive Technology Advancement, Carter, in Pittsburgh will be developed into a new customer experience center. This is part of a long-term strategy laid out at the start of 2017, as Additive and Capital are collaborating to increase access to 3D printing across all manufacturing sectors.